Hi guys, so in this video I will show you that how can you see your past prescriptions. So first you have to click on this plus link that will open a past prescription panel, and there you will be able to see all your past prescriptions arranged one by one. And for each prescription you can see the prescription contained in the middle, the link that you can send to your patient above, and the payment status in the below. Now if you think that this payment status is not accurate, that means the patient might have paid already, but here it is shown as pending, so that the patient is unable to view the prescription. So you should click on this resolve dispute link, and there a form will be opened, and certain information will be you will need to resolve the dispute. Now among the information, the most important thing that you must ask from your patient is the order ID, because if the patient has really paid successfully, then the patient should be able to see the order ID from his or her Paytm app, because we use Paytm as a payment gateway. Okay, now if you want to find a past prescription specifically, then you can search above. You can search with the patient name, or you can search with basically anything, because it's a free text searching. So let's search with scabies. That is let's see, you are now seeing another patient of scabies, so you want to search it for scabies. Just a second, sorry. Okay, so there is a past prescription for scabies. So let's say I want to use this prescription for my current patient. So you just have to click on this apply button, and this data will be applied to the current prescription field. You can close it, and you can see that this current prescription field is now having the past prescription data. All you have to do is now just change the date and the patient demographic. Now to track your revenue, you have to go to the bottom of the panel, and here you can see your total earnings so far, the amount that has been already transferred to you, and the amount pending. So that's it basically. Thank you.